One of the new options we've come up with the Ultimate 3 is a staff bead detail. So just like an original box sash, this picture frames the sash all the way around the inside. It covers the brush pile line that you would typically see otherwise. Now the one downside to a staff bead normally is that because it retains the sash behind it, it's unable to tilt. So to overcome that, we've made these beads detachable. So you can simply take them out like so. You're then still able to use the tilt facility on the window for cleaning. And once you've done that process, it's very simple then to just pop these back in, like so, on both sides. Again, perfectly framing the sash, just like an original.